Yep, you're going.
Do I need to hold it down or anything?
No, look at it. There you go. You just keep it on.
Some of the fastest cars in the world go up to like 5
Now, legs up.
Good job, Beth.
Wait there. Hands up now. Arch back. Legs up.
Yeah!
What do I press to stop it? The red. Do I press the red again?
Hit the red button, yeah.
Wait there. Now, legs up. Your knees. Hands off. Arch back. We're going to sing.
Woohoo!
There we go, sit down.
Well done, babe.
It's a big one, isn't it? He's got a big tank off, hasn't he?
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
Yeah.